Hi guys, today I'm gonna make the McDonald's cooking here. It's actually here now. Whoa. Dinosaur. A dinosaur. There's so many dinosaurs. Okay, let's see how many is this? It's actually 6. Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe 6. 1, 2, It's not 6. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. Have the 6 stores. We have this one. Next is the long oh, T-Rex. Oh, it's the water dinosaur. Ah! Guys, where is he? Rawr! Rawr, rawr, rawr. The last one is I'll tell it to my mom if this is eating people. Mommy, this eating people? Yes. It is eating people. Ow! Ow! Okay, that's all for today. Bye.